Today on RaceLine, 2020 was certainly a wild ride. We'll take a look back at all the power, innovation, and most importantly, the fun we had in spite of all the challenges this year had in store. It's all today here on RaceLine.
Hey guys, Kendra Summer here with RaceLine, and it's needless to say that 2020 has been a unique year, but that hasn't slowed us down from living out our wide-open philosophy.
Mercury Racing roared into 2020 at the LA Boat Show with the introduction of our 600 horsepower CNC Cleaver propeller designed to fit our XR Sport and Sportmaster drives. Then we traveled all the way across the U.S. to the Miami International Boat Show, where we introduced the highly touted Mercury Racing 60R for the Skiff market. And our 450R made its power and presence felt to the general public for the first time since its introduction, and the industry took notice, awarding us a 2020 Innovation Award. To celebrate, we took a wild ride thanks to Twin Racing QC4 1550s with Dave Fulks, CEO of our parent company, Brunswick. What a thrill.
Let me assure you, there's nothing like twin 9-liter 1550s running wide open. After the Miami Boat Show, we stayed in the Sunshine State to catch a high-speed poker run put on by our friends Stu and Jackie Jones.
Keeping up with the Joneses is no joke. The fast-moving Florida Powerboat Club made their annual fun run to Key West, with many sporting Mercury Racing power. That was soon followed by boatmaker MTI putting on their owner's fun run powered by a stable full of racing horsepower, including 20 inboards, 42 400s, and an amazing 61 450Rs. Hot on the heels of that run, the editors of Boating Industry magazine named our 450R to their prestigious top product list for 2020. Keeping things going, we introduced our new 300 horsepower CNC Cleaver propeller for race teams powered by our 300R outboards.
Now, not all the speed advancements were made out on the water. We even applied our Mercury Racing power on the asphalt with our 750 horsepower SB4 V8 engine.
This year, the guys at Roadster Shop wedged our 7-liter power plant into this 1967 Camaro, along with some other muscle car classics, including a 67 GTO, for a fun road trip that combined high performance on both land and sea, all courtesy of Mercury Racing. And we also gave back to the future of manufacturing technology by presenting our 2020 Skilled Trade Scholarship to Wisconsin's Joshua Bartlett and Grant Burbach. Congrats, guys. Another well-deserved shout-out came in the form of a Matt Trulio penned Speed on the Water magazine article titled "Where Horsepower Has No Gender. Meet the Women of Mercury Racing," profiling all the talented ladies who contribute so much to the success here at Mercury Racing.
Congrats, girls. That's definitely well-deserved. Now, let's get back to what was happening out on the water.
We had the thrill this summer of covering performance boating events and racing, including the Four Horsemen Poker Run, the Cigarette Owners Rendezvous, and Outboard Fun Run, and even the drag boat racers of the UMPBA. And in one of the most anticipated product introductions of the year, General Manager Stuart Halley took us through the all-new 360 Apex and Mercury Racing's return to dominance in Formula One racing. Developed in cooperation with the UIM and H2O Racing over the last 2 years, this new 360-horse engine is not only more powerful than current F1 engines, it is designed to be run by teams over 1 to 2 seasons instead of just 1 to 2 races, drastically reducing race teams' budgets. Lastly, we rounded out our year back in Florida at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, where we got a first look at the super sleek 460 Flyer from longtime racing partner Nortec High Performance Boats. It stole the show with its retractable hardtop, not to mention all the power of quad 450Rs.
Thank you so much for watching RaceLine this year. We look forward to bringing you more news, new products, and all the exciting racing action from the wonderful world of Mercury Racing. For Mercury Racing, I'm Kendra Summer, and I'll see you out on the water.